I'm going to be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open page. So when you're Googling something on Safari and it says cannot open page, then the first thing you can do is try reloading the page. So you can reload the page by swiping down like this. So this should fix the problem, but if it does not, then there might be some other problems. So you can try some basic troubleshooting. Just close the Safari app first and open it again. So this should restart Safari. The third thing you can do is just restart your device. Sometimes a quick restart can automatically fix the problem. You can also go to your settings where you can see if you have any software update available. When you have not updated your software, that can hinder or cause some bugs in the system. You also need to make sure you have stable internet connection and make sure that you're not using any VPN or other security software. So you can also try clearing your cache. Just go to Safari, just tap there and scroll down till you find clear history and website data. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on clear history. So this should fix the problem. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.